What's good everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Zamir from XCC Tunes. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to create hi-hat patterns, snare rolls and all those cool stuff in Cubase with a shortcut key. Alright, most of the times when we create hi-hat, usually we'll go like this and then we'll put the notes one by one, or we will be recording it with a MIDI controller like so and stuff like that, right? So today I'm going to show you guys an easy method to create a hi-hat patterns. So let's get started. I have a note here which is in C3. I'm going to delete this right now. Okay, the first thing you have to do is to change the grid value to 16th note. Okay, I have set it to my MIDI controller where I use my key command to change the grid value. Okay, so if you don't have it, you can go here and select the grid value you want. Okay, once I selected that, now I'm gonna go and create one note like so, and I'm gonna select the note. I'm gonna press the button which is assigned to the key command, and now I got this awesome hi-hat pattern. Okay, so let's hear them. Okay, simple hi-hat pattern. Okay, here's the interesting part. Let's say I want to have a hi-hat roll here and see what happens when I press the button. Ta-da! So now I got 4 notes created and it's in the 64th note. Let me hit play now. Right, that's not bad. So let's go and create another pattern here, but I want to have a 32nd note here. Okay. Let's create another 32nd note here. Okay, how about another 64 here? Okay, let's hear it now. So that's how you can quickly make hi-hat pattern with the technique that I'm going to show you right now. Okay, but before that I have another technique which I'd like to share as well. Let's go to clap. Okay, let's use this clap. Now for the clap, I'm gonna change the grid value to quarter note. Let's open this up. Okay, so usually the clap will be in the 3rd beat, which is right here. So I'm gonna put the C3 here. I'm gonna show you guys the shortcut right now. Let me select this note, and now I'm gonna press the shortcut key. Ta-da! C3 here, which is the 3rd beat on the 2nd bar, and I'm going to select both of them now, and I'm going to press it again, and now it's on the 3rd bar, 3rd beat, 4th bar, 4th beat, and I can do it for the next few bars if I want. But please make sure to change the value to quarter note so that it will be duplicated according to the rhythm that we want. So now let me add another snare. Let's create a snare rolls. Yep, that's okay. Say I want to have a snare roll right here. Okay, I'm going to press the shortcut key a couple of times. Now let's hear it. So that's the Grammy worthy beat. Now I'm going to show you guys how to create this macro so you can use it when you make beat. Right, let's go to edit here, go to key commands. The first one is the hi-hat, right? The hi-hat that I showed just now. You guys can copy this. I'm going to show you guys why I use these steps to create the hi-hat so that you guys can create your own. So the first one is the quantize category. I set it to 16 note, which is why when I create the note, I change it to 16 note. And so then once it is changed to 16 note, I duplicate it and then I nudge it right, duplicate it, nudge it right, duplicate it, nudge it right, and so on until the first 1 bar, until right here. Okay, and then once that's done, once I got the first bar, edit, select all, and then I went to edit, duplicate, which means edit, select all, and then duplicate this hi-hat again. So I'll have the same hi-hat pattern for the second bar. So now I have 2 bars of hi-hat patterns. And select all again, use process logical preset velocity randomize. Okay, I use the randomized velocity and edit select none, which means none will be selected. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how you can do it. You can search here quantize category. You can just type quantize. You can go to quantize and this one right here. Okay, go to type quantize and then hit search until you find this. Set quantize to 16th note. Then click on add. Alright, and then edit duplicate. So you can go here and press Ctrl D, and then it will show you the key shortcut, and then you click on select, and then you click on add. So quantize category, set quantize to 16, edit duplicate, and the nudge right is Control and the arrow key. Right arrow key, and you get this, and then click on select, and now you add it. Okay, you can add it multiple times, and then you just move up and down, make sure that you get the same steps here. Once that's done, go to select all. It's very simple. Control A and select all, and then none should be here. Yeah, select none, and then add. Then the process logical preset velocity randomize. Let me go to, for the logical preset, you have to click on MIDI event, and then you can go to MIDI, go to logical editor, and go to setup. Okay, now you get this velocity randomize. Just copy this. File target type is equal to note, and then value to set random values between 70 to 90. I find that this is the best randomize for hi-hat especially. So 70 to 90, and then you have to change this to transform, and then hit apply. So when you do this, it will randomize all the notes here. See that? Okay, so that was added. So I'm going to go back to key commands. Okay, that was the second last, and then edit select none. That's it. So now you get that hi-hat pattern. Okay, now let's go to the clap or snare key command, which is this one here. So edit duplicate, Control D again, then quantize category, set quantize the quarter note, and nudge right 3 times. So I'm gonna show you guys from the claps one. Okay, so I'm gonna go to edit, go to key command again, go to clap snare. So edit duplicate. So this one will be duplicated. Quantize category set to quarter, and then nudge right 1 time, nudge right 2nd time, nudge right 3rd time, and now the note will be on the 3rd beat, right? And that's it. So this is easy. Now you can select all and press that, and it will be there. I have assigned this key command to the MIDI controller, but you can also assign this to a shortcut key. Now let's go to the roll. We have the hi-hat rolls. We have 32nd note, and we have the 64th note. So let's do the 32nd note first. Process logical preset note cut in half. Okay, I use this logical preset, which is MIDI logical editor setup. Note cut in half. So copy this. Type is equal to note, then length is divided by 2. Okay, this is note cut in half. You can name it any way you want. Okay, I'm going to go to key command again, go to the repeat. So process logical preset note cut in half, quantize category set quantize is 32nd note, and then edit duplicate. So what it does is, let me go here. Okay, what it does is this note here, go to key command. So if I select and press the key shortcut, it will cut note in half, and then it will change to 32nd note, and then it will duplicate that note. All right, so let's go to repeat 64th. Is the same thing. I have process logical preset used twice because I want to cut it twice, and then set quantize to 64th note, and then edit, duplicate 3 times. So that's how you get this note repeat. Okay, so this is the repeat 64th, repeat 32nd note. Now let's look at triplet. It's the same thing. Process logical preset, note cut in half, then quantize category, set quantize to 8 note, then quantize category, toggle quantize triplet, and then edit, duplicate. All right, it's that simple. So that's it for today. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you guys did, please make sure to subscribe, turn on notification, and smash the like button. Share this video to all your friends, family, whoever that uses Cubase for music production. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.